Now, Sophie, you can get a good view of what's going on. You don't have to bother me anymore. You happy now? Gizmo thinks it's funny. He's going to peck you when he gets you. Oh, you better run. He's going to get you. He's going to get you, Sophie. Gizmo's going to get you. Get him, Gizmo. Get him, Gizmo. Get him. Get him. Get her. Get her. Get her. What's the matter, baby? You want... Ow! See, I told you. Come here, baby. It's okay. It's okay. I have to teach you a healthy fear of parents. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have put you up there. Gizmo got you though, didn't he? I'm sorry. Gizmo, say that? That's just what I do when I see strange animals. You want to say hello? How's Roadrunner go? Yes! Very good! Very good! Yeah! She's a good girl! She's a good girl! She's great! She's great! You want to give me a kiss? Aw, you're such a good girl. You good girl?